Okay, so the day has finally come. We're leaving the dock for a small trip.
Sort of come.
For a couple days, yeah. Just a practice run, just to test everything, because nothing's been tested.
Shakedown.
Yeah, and hopefully everything goes well.
Shakedown run with us, the kids, the dogs. No supervision of any kind.
Sketchy.
No adults.
Yeah. So wish us luck.
We'll see how it goes.
First task, get off the dock. Okay, so making it off the dock is totally more difficult than it should be. You see this big tree right here, and then all the docks pull our masts and our rigging and sails, everything hits it. So we kind of have to, like, I don't know, pick between hitting a dock or a tree every time. Nothing to get your heart rate going in the morning, you know? But we did it. We're going. How stressed out are you?
Scale of 1 to 10? Well, now I'm fine.
5 minutes ago.
11.
Okay.
It's like, you know, everything we own, this boat. I'd rather hit a tree than sink a boat. Rather not have to make that choice.
Well, good thing there's no.
Time we leave.
Good thing there's no major trees like growing out of the middle of the ocean that we have to worry about. But the aftermath. We barely scraped up against a tree, which you really can't get by without touching the tree because it just hangs so far over. And I didn't bring a broom. So we got a lot going on. Okay. But we made it out, so now the fun can start. Ty, Ellie. Look at you guys, you're so handsome in your life jackets.
Yeah, I think there's
We seen dolphins.
We didn't get him on camera. The little man decided to break in the toilet. He had to go number 2. So, while they were watching dolphins, I was wiping a butt.
Mom didn't like it.
And trade jobs.
No. I like this job.
Yeah. You having fun?
Yeah.
not so much.
Yeah.
Right now there's like a lot of wind. So we just have the motor on.
Yeah, that's okay. We're out in the water and we're already seeing stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Here's the thing that I want to do. I want to swim with the dolphin, or maybe even ride one.
Oh, whoa. Alright, let's see what we can do. Ty. Hi, handsome. Oh, man.
No. I think
Ellie Belly? Ellie Belly! You get to come out for the first time ever when we're moving? So much freedom, huh?
look what you said yes.
Yeah. She's happy. Alright, Cody. Thoughts on the engine now that we are
I still love
solid 45 minutes in?
it. Still perfect.
Still good?
Still nice and quiet. Doesn't smell like diesel.
Yeah.
We're moving pretty good at half throttle.
We're at 4.5 knots, I think, right?
Yeah, 4.5 knots, half throttle.
With a whopping like 2 knots of wind.
Yeah.
So no sailing.
I don't think I've ever seen the bay this calm, to be honest.
Yeah, it's pretty
But
glassy out here.
it's alright, we gotta get some time on the engine anyway, so. It is what it is. Wind will pick up later this afternoon, I think. So far, so good.
made it down to the Gulf. The wind is completely against us, so we're having to motor sail, which is fine, because at least we're moving. We tried to sail for a little bit, but we were down to like 1.5 knots, and we want to get somewhere before the sun goes down. So
You're doing a lot of tacking.
yeah.
Taking longer than we got to get to where we're going if we would tack the whole way. So
Yeah, and
I figured it'd be easier to fire up the engine and put away.
Oh, can you see my foot?
where we're cutting in at, we're not so comfortable going in it at night yet, because we've, one, never done it, and two, this is our first time really out on the boat without assistance, so we don't want to...
I'm not trying to wreck the boat.
Yeah, we don't want to overcommit to anything, so yeah, we're gonna motor sail it and hopefully make it there before the sun goes down. How you guys feel about it so far?
It's good.
Oh.
If you minus the part I was sick, it was all good.
Yeah, Emma got a little seasick. She didn't actually throw up or anything, but she wasn't feeling her best for a little while, so she was also down below in her room, and I think that had a lot to do with it. So she came back up here, got some wind in your face.
Every time I go into there, I start getting dizzy.
Yeah.
That's why I came out real quick.
Yeah. Stay out here, let the breeze in your face, and look out. Right, Liam? And what's your job today?
All I'm gonna do is just point everything.
No, you've been watching for buoys, right?
I was just Gatorade.
You've been watching. You just want Gatorade. You like
Yeah.
that orange Gatorade mustache? I don't know if it's gonna pick up.
I think.
Can you see your mustache?
No.
No, he's been very helpful. You've been looking for crab traps, right?
And I saw a lot of them, and I love Gatorade.
Yeah.
You can go get it.
No more Gatorade right now.
Gloves up, nuts. Dad, gloves up, nuts. Over there.
Alright, already tapped it.
Good job looking out, Liam.
I
We got dolphins. Oh, you see them? Did you see it? That was cool, huh? Look, look, look. There it goes. Dolphins.
Oh, there's some over here too.
Oh, look, they're coming to us.
Oh, they're chasing that flying fish. You see that thing?
Uh-uh.
That flying fish like...
Oh, I didn't see the flying fish. Liam, you see him?
I saw the big one.
Yeah.
Did you see him jump all the way? No.
Watch, keep looking right out this way, Liam. Right here next to us.
Look, they're trying to get something right there.
Oh yeah, we're trying to get that one.
Take a look at my new autopilot.
Whoa.
A little erratic. Hey, keep it steady. Keep it steady. You're turning. What are you doing? The autopilot's not supposed to move. Put your foot on there.
He malfunctions quite a bit.
Talk back. Very expensive.
Yeah. And there's a no refund policy, huh? Are you driving?
Yeah. With my foot. With my feet and with my foot.
Oh. You were doing quite a good job, Liam.
We're never gonna lay down, we ain't going nowhere. You can come and give a try. Our bond is our blood and thicker than water, like Goonies never say die. Oh, 'cause Goonies never say oh, 'cause Goonies never say die.
When you're a navigator, you have to know where you are from knowing
movie is that from?
It's from Moana. And guess what? There's like a lizard at the back.
Oh yeah, we do have a lizard. He is hanging on. He don't know what he signed up for. Not for a boat ride. So you know it was a rough day sailing. When you fall asleep on the butt of your dog, touching the other butt of your other dog. Oh, excuse you. Kids got it rough, huh? Okay. What's that
My
face for?
suntan.
Oh yeah, you do. You have a hat suntan.
No hat tomorrow.
I don't have one, do I? Do I have raccoon eyes?
I don't know. It's
Okay, extra sunscreen tomorrow. So yeah, we made it. We are anchored out by Marina Jacks, which is in Sarasota. I don't know how many nautical miles it is from.
At least 1 million.
Yeah,
I
at
think we
least.
did 1 million
Minimum.
miles today.
We'll have to check. We'll get back to you on that. Oh, bless you, Ellie. So yeah, we just got here. We have dropped the anchor, and now we are just sitting on the front of the boat, staring at it, making sure it's set, because
I'm paranoid as
Yeah.
a mother, and I don't know if it's set, and
I feel like I do have raccoon eyes.
it's nighttime, and there's like 1,000 boats around us, and I don't really want to drag into another boat,
Yeah, so
because you know, I don't want to pay
that
for all
sounds
that.
expensive. But yeah, it's I'm like 90% sure we're good. But you know, just to
Guys,
be safe,
we can go over there because there's no boat.
we're watching it for a while until we feel comfortable to go down below and make some dinner.
I might just spend the night here.
It feels really good, actually. There is like this awesome breeze coming, and the bridge is really pretty. It's all lit up, and yeah, it's actually really nice. There's so far, knock on wood, somewhere, there's no mosquitoes or no-see-ums, which I was nervous about because we were gonna bring our wall unit or window unit AC,
Yeah.
so we could have all the hatches and stuff closed. More so the bugs wouldn't be in, but we ran out of time and didn't get to set it up, so hatches open. Yeah,
Gosh.
hopefully we don't get ate up.
No AC. No antenna. Maybe we could
Yeah.
kick the generator on, but
Yeah, we could, but we'd probably piss everybody off.
it's super quiet around here. Nobody's running a generator. Nobody's doing anything.
Yeah, so
So
take
I
a
don't-
look at where we are.
I don't want to be that guy.
We're never gonna lay down, we ain't going nowhere. You can come and give a try. Our bond is our blood and thicker than water, like Goonies never say die. Oh, cause Goonies never say oh, cause Goonies never say die.
And on a side note, Ty peed on the boat. Not on the potty pad, like he's supposed to, but right over there.
Right on the deck.
I'll take it. He peed. Ellie hasn't peed yet, which I'm really surprised. If either one of us, we would have put all of our money on her peeing first, because he's more stubborn and he's old and he's stuck in his ways, and she's laying on the puppy pad right now. Yeah, so this is our current situation also. That's the potty pad. She's supposed to be peeing on it. She thinks it's a bed.
Hi.
I mean, maybe one day we'll get there. Worst case scenario, we do have the dinghy and we can go to shore. We just have to lower it off the davits, and that sounds like a chore. So hopefully she'll go tonight. That way we don't have to take it to shore tonight. Otherwise, that won't be that much fun. But either way, we'll
Feels
take
like it's
them.
midnight right now.
It does. It's like,
I don't know why I look so bright on the camera.
I
It's
know,
weird.
it's really, really dark, you guys. I was like, we gotta record now before the sun completely goes down, and it's down. It's not there.
No, it's at like
It
30
looks,
minutes ago.
look, yeah, it looks so bright. That's a lie. Don't believe it. So, yeah. First night out on anchor alone with no supervision.
What?
Little anxiety high here, but
yeah, we're pretty high. I would say on the anxiety level out of 10, I'm like a solid 8 right now.
wow, I wouldn't have said that.
Yeah.
I'm usually the high anxiety one. I'm probably at like a 6.
I'm
okay.
worried about dragging anchor into like one of these 5,000 other boats or every single one of them.
Yeah.
It's not like I can really dive down and check to make sure the anchor's good. I mean, we're not moving.
No, we've been here for like a solid 45 minutes and we haven't moved. I think we're okay.
I think every time we do it, we'll probably get less and less anxious about it, but
Yeah, it's just...
I didn't sleep last time when we went out on anchor because I was scared. And I feel like I might not get a wink of sleep this time.
Yeah. I think we'll be okay, but it's okay to be nervous. It's better to be nervous and nothing happen and not to be nervous and something happen.
Yeah.
So, it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the bridge one more time because it's really pretty. Cody took the dogs, or took Ellie to go potty this morning. And he's on his way back. First trip on the dinghy since we've been out on anchor.
Hello, Daddy. What took you so long? Yeah.
Get it, Emma, get it. Get it. Look what you got.
You got a catfish.
Give me those pliers.
Good job, Emma. Yeah, we're ready.
You're going?
Yep.
Look, you're not looking straight. That's where we're going. We gotta go that way.
Alright.
Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Yep, better push that way. Okay. Kinda wanna go in that gap of boats over there. There you go. Oh, a little too far. Kinda turning. We're turning too far. We're going back to shore. There you go. Oh, you're kinda aggressive with your steers. Oh, now we're going back that way again. Attacking. Okay, we gotta go that way, bub. Nope, wrong way. Wrong way.
Oh my God.
You need help? Hold on, I gotta straighten this out. Go a little bit faster.
Thanks for watching, and as always, we'd love for you to stick around, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and join us for next time as we head back home and we take the Intercoastal Waterway. So we take our first 3 bridges, one of them being a fixed bridge, a little scary, and if you want to stick around for some messy dolphin footage, wait until after this clip for that.
Yeah, we can pet it. Yeah. Whoa. And there's this.
Oh! There's little babies right here. They're so tiny. How do you lure dolphins? You're a dolphin.
It's just even better than making a fish.
Look at them playing.
Oh, they're playing right now.
See him like jumping?
I'm reading a book called Shark.
Oh, I'm trying to watch. I'm not doing a good job videotaping.
Shooter.